Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the second part of the topic functions. So in that we'll see how to identify the parent function, then we'll see the vertical line test, then the function notation, and then the function notation and the linear function. So now let us see first how to identify the parent function with the following functions. So now this is given. So here what we can see, the highest degree here of f of x is 3. So if it is 3, we can say that is a cubic function. And the parent function of that will be y is equal to f of x, that is nothing but y. So that will be x cube. Now if it is g of x is 3 root x plus 1. So can you see this is root, means this is a radical expression. So it has a term with a square root. So the function we can say this is a square root function. So this parent function of this one is going to be, this we can write y is equal to, this is going to be root of x. For the square root we always write here y is root of x. Now let us see this is f of x is 4 by x. So in the denominator you can see that is x. So what we can do, so we can say whenever we write the reciprocal, we write 1 by 4. Or whenever it is 4, if it is ask somebody asks you what is the reciprocal of that, we say 1 by 4. So that means this is a reciprocal. So parent function is going to be y is 1 by x. So now f of x is equal to e raised to x plus 1. So this, wherever it is, this is exponents. So we can say x is an exponential function. And the parent is going to be this y is b of x. For that is f of x, that is y is e of x. So now let us see the vertical line test. Vertical line test, actually what is it? It is a method used to determine if a curve of a graph of a function is, we can say, is a graph of a function or not. So if every vertical line, if it intersects a curve at most one, means only one place, then we can say the curve is the graph of a function. Later on, let us see the example of this one. And if a vertical line intersects the curve at more than one point, then the curve is not the graph of a function. So now let us see here. This is the vertical line. So now what we can, where it is intersecting, so this is intersecting at only one place. Can you see here? So we can say the vertical line intersected the graph in only one place. This showed that each x, this is the x value in the domain corresponds with only one y value in the range. Always the x value is the domain and the y value is the range. So we say each x value in the domain corresponds with only one y value in the range. Hope this is clear. So this is the point. So it is intersecting at only one place. So now here what we can see, this is a vertical line. So where is it intersecting? It is intersecting at this point and this point. So we can say the line crossed the graph in two places. So this showed that there are x values in the domain that correspond to two y values. This is one and this is the, so that is corresponding to two y values in the range. So now look at here. This is a vertical line. Now where it is intersecting at, it is intersecting at only one point. So we can say that it is a function. Now look at this diagram. So here this is a vertical line. Where is it intersecting? It is intersecting on this curve on this one as well as here. So this is not a function. So if it is intersecting at only one place, it is a function. More than one, it is not a function. Now let us see the function notation. For the given function, now it is asked that determine, this is the given, this is x and this is f of x. So f of 4. F of 4 means where are you going to see on this place? So this 4 you are going to see. So now, sorry, they ask this f of 4 means, see this is x, where we write f of x, right? So this we are going to look at the x place. So where is 4 here? So 4 is here. So f of 4 is going to be, that is going to be minus 3. Now 3 f of 2 minus 5. So now this is for x, you are going to look at this x. So what are you going to write here? You will write 3 first as it is, f of 2. F of 2 means at the x value of 2 here. So this is what? This is 6. So in place of this f of 2, you are going to write here 6. So 3 will be as it is. Place of f of 2, you are going to write 6 and minus 5. So this is going to be 18 minus 5. This is the answer is going to be 13. Find a such that f of a is 7. So where do you get 7? So now here f of a, they said f of a is, the answer is this is 7. So now here where do we get 7 is here. So f of a means there f of a. So this is nothing but this is x. So where do you get 7 here? That is on, this is 3. So what we'll say, a is 3. So this f of 3 is 7. Now given f of x is root of x plus 5, you have to determine f of 31. So f of 31 means this is x. So wherever you see x in this expression, you are going to put 31. So now let us write this same as it is. F of 31, that will be, here you will write x, this 31 and this will be the same. So root of 36, and you know this is a perfect square. So that is the answer is 6. 6 is 36. Now here h of x, 3x square minus 2x plus 6. So h of a minus 3. So here you are going to write a minus 3. Wherever there is x, there you are going to put a minus 3. So this is given the expression same. In place of x, you will write a minus 3. A minus 3 whole bracket square. Here a minus 3. Rest everything is the same. So a minus 3, we can also write this 2 times. A minus 3 into a minus 3. Or we can write the formula, you know, that is a minus b whole bracket square. So 3 will be here. So if you are writing this 2 times, and then you are going to expand this one, minus 2a plus 6 plus 6. So that is going to be 3. This will be a square minus 3a. Again this minus 3a and minus minus becomes plus 9. So this is, rest all this minus 2a plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is going to be plus 12. So now what you can do here, we can write here a square, this both the other like terms, that will be minus 6a plus 9, and this is the same. So now let us expand this 3a square minus 18a plus 27. Rest the same. So now this will be 3a square minus 18a minus 2a. That is going to be minus 20a plus 27 plus 12. That is going to be plus 39. So this is the answer. Now let us see the function notation and the linear functions. So now here for the function, c of f is 5 by 9, f minus 32, where Cf is what? That is a Celsius temperature in degree centigrade. That is equivalent to the Fahrenheit temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So now this is given, that determines C of 77 and intercept. This is here. You have to interpret its meaning. So what is the meaning of that? So now see here, C of 77 means you have this formula. So that will be, F will be 77. So you can write here the same over here first. So F is here 77. So at F is 77. So wherever you say F, you are going to put 77. Rest all will be the same. So this will be 45. 5 is to 9. So into this 45. So 9 ones are 9 fives are. So here is going to be 25. So now they said interpret its meaning means this means that what do you mean by this one? That is 25 degrees centigrade is equivalent to 77 degree Fahrenheit. So now let us go for the next one. That is determine the linear function that contains the points. These are the points given. A of this is 5 and minus 3, and this is B minus 7 and 7, and you have to express the answer using function notation. So now with the help of the graph, now let us plot this one first. 5 and minus 3 means it is going to be 5 is going to be somewhere here, and here will be minus 3. So this is the point for A, and the B is minus 7 and 7. So here this minus 7 is going to be in between minus 6 and minus 8. So the point is going to be here, and 7 positive 7 means it is going to be here. So this is B of minus 7, and then you are going to join the line. So now what we can see for this one, so let us find the slope of it. You know the formula for the slope, that is m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now what are you going to do? This will be x1 y1, or we can consider this one, this is y2. So this will be, anyways you can take, you can take this x1 y1, and this will be x2 y2, or you can take this x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So now if we take here, so what do we get over here? y2. The formula is y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1. Minus means this minus and minus becomes plus. So this is going to be 7 plus 3. Then what is that? x2 here, this is going to be minus 7. This is x2 is minus 7. And this is going to be minus 5. x1 is minus 5. So now 7 plus 3, that is going to be 10. And this is going to be minus 12. So 2 6s are and 2 5s are. So that is going to be minus 5 by 6. So the slope is minus 5 by 6. Then we will find out the y-intercept. So y-intercept means y is going, that is, we can also write here y is equal to mx plus b. Y means that is nothing but here we are doing this, we can write in the form of that is f of x. So here this is the formula y is equal to mx plus b. Now you got m means that is the slope. What you got over here, that is minus 5 by 6. So this you can write here. So this extra you can write a formula here. That is, you can write fx is equal to mx plus b, or you can write y is equal to mx plus b. Both is the same. So here in place of this m, that is minus 5 by 6, x plus b. So now what are you going to do? We have the points given, that is a is 5 and minus 3, and b is minus 7 and 7. So from this one, either you can use this points or this point. So now here I have used this point. So anyways, even if you use these points, you are going to get the same answer. So here what are you going to get? Here this is x and this is y. So in place of this one x, you are going to write 5. 5 by 6 will be as it is. Here x you are going to write 5, and we don't know b. So now here what is this one? F of 5. F of 5 means this is the y value. Whenever we write f of x, this is nothing but y. So here this is y. So you know what is y? This is x and this is y. The value of this is minus 3. So this step is very important. Hope you got this. This is y. This whole thing is y. And the other things will be as it is. So now what will you write here? Minus 25 by 6. That is b. Now if we take this minus 25 by 6 on this side, so that is going to be plus. So when you solve this, you know this is the LCM is 6. Because here is 1, so you are going to multiply by 6. So that is going to be minus 18 plus 25 by 6. That is b. So now minus 18 plus 25 means that is going to be 7. So 7 by 6 is b. So that is the y-intercept. So now how will you write this one? Fx is, so this one, how will you rewrite it? Fx is minus 5 by 6x plus this is the b, what the value about over here. you got it as 7 by 6. So 7 by 6. And this is the linear function. Now this is the only step what we have to remember, that this is y, so that is minus 3. So here this is x and this is y. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.